I used to think that economics was just about theories, graphs, policies, and numbers I'd never touch. Until I realized that they shape everything around us, and I almost missed my chance to be a part of it.
You saw how one policy can open doors and how one trade agreement can change millions of lives, and how Chandigarh University's MA in Economics doesn't just teach numbers, it teaches how to read the story behind them. You took your first step, you even explored your vision, you even began to fulfill your application. But the future, it doesn't stop for those who pause. Complete your admissions to MA Economics at Chandigarh University and be the economist who turns today's data into tomorrow's direction.